How to change your password on Crunchyroll. If you wish to change your password on Crunchyroll, there are two types of scenarios. The first one is if you are logged into your account, and then if you want to change it or if you remember your current password, right? So here you can go to crunchyroll.com, click the profile icon from the top right, then simply navigate towards settings. From here under the account section, you'll find the option called password. So when you go to password first, you can just enter your current password and then you can choose and retype the new password that you wish to change to and click on the change password option. But this is only for those users who remember the current password. Now, in some cases, if you do not remember your current password, you're just on the login page or stuck on the login page. So in that case, you have to reset your password. So click the profile icon from the top right, go to login button right here. And once you're here on the login page, you can see this option under password that says forgot password. So click on the forgot password link, enter the email address where your Crunchyroll account was associated with, and then hit the send button. It will send an email to your particular email right there, so a verification kind of link. So log into your respective email, and you should see a link from Crunchyroll that says you to basically change or reset your password. So you might want to wait a couple of seconds, and you can see I've received the email from Crunchyroll. I will select that. It says me to click here to reset my password, so I can just click here on this link on this orange button. Then it will take me to the new page where I can choose a new password and retype it without having to remember my old password. So I hope that this video helps you reset or change your password whether or not you remember it. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.